Good morning. I am still sunburnt, you can probably see. But we are heading off to Pongyang Adventure and Jungle Roller Coaster. It is 7:30. It's going to take us about, I think it said about an hour to get there. Worst case, there's a cafe at the start. We can kind of sit around and share a drink or something cheap, just to sit around. But we're going to go in, do the jungle coaster. But yeah, we're going to head over there. We're just waiting for this bolt. We got our little tokens for the jungle coaster. So we're gonna go do that. It's gonna be scary.
Slow.
Yes.
Stop.
Okay.
No stop.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll let you go for a while anyway.
Go.
See you, Amy.
Em ở về. Mình khôngไม่ได้ไง Okay, you go.
Oh god. Oh my god, this it's way faster than I thought. What the? Wow. Can't be too fast, Amy's there. There she is. Go on, Amy, don't scare me. Now he's aiming to go. You gotta get faster, Amy. I don't want to hit into you though. Oh, I want to do it again now. That's a bit sad. I kinda wish I went first so I could just be really quick. But it does say stick to 25 miles per hour or less, but how the hell do you know if you're going fast? You can fit 2 people on these as well. Like if you brought your kid. I'll tell you how much it is, I'll put it in so you can see. But it's a few quid. It's not bad, but we are like the first people here, so I can understand why it's empty. At least we didn't have to wait in a line. And now Amy's gonna go and do her thing, and I'm gonna go to the jungle cafe. But it doesn't open until 8, so I'm hoping it's gonna be open by the time I get over that way. We'll see. There's Amy going. That's the jungle coaster we just went down. Might see how much it is to go again. I'm just going to make sure I have enough for the taxi. We've paid all day for the taxi for 1,800. It's going to take us here, then to the long neck drive, and then to sticky waterfalls. That'd be nice. Oh, you can see a jungle cafe. I've got everything. It's all done. Yeah, look. I'll be going down there. I'm gonna have a drink, maybe some snacks. This is the longest part of the ride. I should just sped down. Oh, there's the zip lining and like go ape type stuff. That's what Amy's gonna be doing. I am not doing that. Oh, it's gonna dip us down and take us up again. Oh. Ready? That's where we went down. I'm glad it's not busy. I didn't want to have anybody going to the back of me. I couldn't imagine that's fun. Oh my god. That is weird. Way too unstable for me. Can't believe I just went over that little bridge. That's what I just went on. Probably can't hear me. Time to go back over the wobbly bridge. Oh, it's a bit slippy. Not my cup of tea. Definitely not my cup of tea. Amy's just gone to the toilet. I'm gonna go to the other cafe. She's gonna go do the zip lining. She's got 12 zip lining to do. That's where we're going. Jungle de Cafe. I'm gonna go sit and you know, relax. It's in these tiny little things with a bike. You can ride a bike across it. Tiny slide. I think that's for the end of maybe one of the zip lines. Okay, 51 meters. This floor is pretty good for being here. Oh, this is the other one I was looking at, but I'm too heavy. You have to be between 50 and 70 kg to go. You get on like a rubber tube when you go down and go into it. Look how cute it is. The floor. Oh no, here it is. I don't know if it's open. Sounds like it is because there's music. Oh wow. I got my Tai Chi. I'm really hoping it's sweet. I said sweet. It's good. Really good. Look at this. Look at on this. Oh, okay, I'm somehow in this. I'm kind of comfortable actually. Come on, Tai Chi. Just gonna wait for Amy now. I'm gonna put some sun cream on and everything because I haven't got it on, even though I'm in the shade. I need to get ready for when we go to the waterfall. See you guys later. Oh, there's even more down there. Wow. Look at this waterfall. Oh god. Oh, this one's a bit better than the other one. So wobbly. A bit better than the other one. Look at this downstairs area. I didn't even know about this until you come to the toilet. So if you do come to the Jungle Cafe, look at these bean bags, even more. And then this really cute part here, a lot of people. And then you get a nice view of the waterfall as well. And this is actually, you can put your drinks on it, but the problem is, photograph only, you can't spend more than 5 minutes. I think during a day like today, they're not going to check this. I think it's just for when it's busy. The music, it just sounds like elevator music, doesn't it? But look, I would actually prefer these ones rather than having the table, even though they have a table as well. So it would be nice to have the extra shelf for a drink. What is it now? It's 10 o'clock or something and it's still empty. I definitely recommend coming early.
We're like not in peak season, so everything we're going to is a peak season.
Well, it's the end of winter, so we haven't even got to the hot part.
No.
Which is crazy. They were.
And a lot of people went out in January, so just come out in February.
Yeah, we were speaking to a local and he was saying how it's just the end of their winter. Did you go up there when you did your zip lining or no?
No, not that one. Only the bigger one.
Okay, let's go talk, let's find our taxi guy and get going to the next place. Well, we've just arrived at the sticky waterfalls and after, yeah, it says accidents will not happen if you are careless. I think it's meant to say accidents will happen if you are careless.
If you are careless, yeah.
But yeah, we just arrived here. We did stop off at the what's it called, the long neck, but then they wanted 500 for entry, 500 baht, which is, it's just crazy. So we were like to the guy, let's just continue. We're gonna try to find some food here and then we're gonna go because we're a bit tired, so it might perk us up and then we can go spend much more time. I think we've got 2 hours, but worst case I can just WhatsApp him and say something else.
Longer, yeah.
So, because we were meant to spend an hour at the tribe and I think we spent 10 minutes. Like, didn't we?
Mm.
And we did do earlier at the other place as well. So, but it's quite quiet, I think. It's not too bad.
I think it's quite quiet.
At least you don't have to pay entrance to this, it's all free. Which is nice. Oh, they have bananas and stuff, that's great. Have a look, and the view, it's crazy.
Really
Let's have a look and see how expensive it is. So we're just waiting for some food. I ordered some fried rice with chicken for 50 baht. We'll see how it is, then maybe the waffles. Really good. Amy just got her pad thai. You're learning how to do the squeezing. Wow.
Yeah, so how you meant to do it.
Do you want another one? Really good. Our first glance at the sticky waterfalls. Let's go. Just left our bags behind us. Just gonna go in the water and see. Is it cold or warm?
Cold.
It's probably nice though.
I never see how to
Do I do it? If I do. Oh, it's very cold. I didn't think it'd be that cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh my god.
You will not.
I know you warm up to it, but it's still really cold. Look at this. Let's see how this works then. I should be able to step onto this, what I thought would be the slippery stone. Yeah. I thought I'd be slippy then, but so weird. Oh, maybe it was.
Literally, I told you.
I think it's because on the green stuff. I'm not gonna lie, it isn't fully sticky, but it's. We both slipped, didn't we? We both slipped here. Yeah, we both slipped there.
Yeah, it's green.
The green.
Yeah.
Yeah, we both slipped on the screen stuff, but on the other stuff it's not too bad. But it takes experience, but then again, we both slipped. She's not wearing shoes and I am wearing these. People going up it, oh my god. Madmen. It's really busy now. Everyone's queuing to go up. We're now climbing up. Hello. Hello. Oh my god, this feels really weird. Like I shouldn't be doing this. This feels so weird. Pretty steep, you know. Literally made it like a staircase. Look how smooth this is. Looks like somebody's carved it out. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh god, this gravel is the worst. I need to get back on the sticky rock. This looks slippy though. There we go. Much better. There's stones everywhere. This is nice. Meditation. Oh my god, look at that. When it comes to the rope, I'm just gonna have to put everything in my bag. Oh, look at this rope. Try as long as you can without it, I guess. I fell forward a bit. I fell forward a bit and my GoPro went in the water. I hope this lasts till I get up the top because I've got 18% on this GoPro battery. At least if I fall, it'll be recorded. And if you fall, it will be recorded, so all good. Amy's too quick for me. I guess she has got two hands. One, the end is in near. Can't see all the way down, but what a beautiful place to be. Go, Amy. Let's go. Let's see if I don't fall over on the last one. I already slipped a little bit, but not because of anything on the waterfall. Just because of me. Oh no! I'm so sorry. Thank you. It's okay. Get to the final bit. And we're done. We're done. Good. So we got back after the sticky waterfall. We went and recharged everything. Got ready. Amy headed out first because I wasn't ready. And now I'm going out to meet her. I am excited for tomorrow though, elephant. We'll see how that goes. We found Amy. We've gone for a walk and we've met up now. We're on the search for mango sticky rice. Oh, coffee.
And mango sticky rice.
Both. We'll see what we can
I might have
find.
to wait for mango sticky rice this evening, I think, for the market.
Maybe. We'll see.
So if we find one that's a good price,
50 baht is good.
That's my.
We'll see. It's nearly gone, but I just got a mango smoothie for 30 baht. And we had a nice chat to a British man. He actually lives in Devon, but he comes here for the winter. And he actually owns a store with his girlfriend. Really cute. He was so nice. Oh my god, it's a rattle! It's a rattle! I'll have to get my friend to make me one. He's really good at crochet.
You should.
John. I'm calling him out. As if a bigger Pikachu! How much is he? He's 390 baht. If you make him, I'll pay you that much. Oh, that's so cute though. We also just had another nice chat, but this time it was with 3 Korean students, and they were trying to practice their English. It's really cute. Oh, I'm gonna get run over by a bike, aren't I? There's loads of kitties though. We're just having a look for this place. Apparently there's a place down here that does like pottery.
Yeah, I don't see it.
That's
It
fine.
might be for there. I think there's the pottery stuff.
But we're just... Oh, look at that. Oh, he's got balls.
Food. Really lucky cats.
I know, wow, very lucky. Loads of fish. Yeah, I think we're gonna go to the other market. It's really close from here. And see if we can grab some food there. And Amy wants sticky mango rice. I'm thinking I might try one of the roti. What are they called? No, like
don't, because I want one of those as well.
No, but there's...
Am I just going to have desserts for dinner?
Maybe we should just do that.
Sticky mango rice.
You get
and
sticky
that.
mango rice, I'll
Then
get
the
roti.
ice cream.
Oh my...
It was that way.
But yeah.
Is that where we came from?
Well, I saw a roti, banana roti for 40 baht, so I might get that.
That's pretty good.
And that was in the market area where we're going. But yeah, I'll let you know what happens. So we finally got to the market. We're just waiting to get some food. We're just gonna have some egg fried rice, then probably gonna get some pudding. Probably a roti. It's a bit loud, you probably can't hear me. But I'm feeling a bit dehydrated, so I'm gonna sit down for a bit, hope for the best. What did you get again?
A rice omelette.
A rice omelette. And I just got a plain old egg fried rice for 50 baht. Yours was?
Same as yours, 50 baht.
50 baht, really? That's pretty good. And then she's got some durian for how much she spent? 80 baht?
80. It was the cheapest I've seen it. And I thought, fuck it, we want to try it. Oh, sorry.
You try it first, and you can tell me.
I don't want that much.
We'll bite into that. It's a bit smelly. What do you think, Amy? Explain it to us.
It kind of tastes a little bit like it smells.
Tastes like it smells.
Almost, but it's got a sweet taste to it. I'm not sure.
Some people say they don't like it like that, but they like to eat in ice cream form.
It's not horrible. The smell's not great.
The thing is, the smell would make me gag before I put it in my mouth.
But it's just not.
Oh, at least you went back. You're very brave. Last night scorpion, now this.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It's very creamy. It's quite weird.
I saw when you were doing it and it got stuck on the spoon.
Yeah, it's like a really creamy texture, which is quite strange as well.
Oh, you missed it. I tried like a little lick of durian and it's not too bad. But yeah, I tried a little bit. It's not great. Like, I haven't had a drink after, so I'm kind of proud, but I only had like a tiny little bit, didn't I?
Yeah, you literally had like the smallest bit.
It tasted a bit meaty. I don't know how, like, it was really weird. got banana roti. I'm already like halfway through because it was so good. Amy got her mango rice. Well, we're kind of away from all the noise now, so I had egg fried rice, banana roti, just some water to try clear my like headache. Feeling much better now. I think it might have been a food thing. We're just walking around now, out of the loudness. I'm gonna have a look around until we go back. And then we got an early, not early, but like a normal morning to go to the elephant sanctuary. Might have a coffee before. They like stick it in afterwards. Look at these cats, and then it gets straight to vases. It's a bit of a mix at this place. Brilliant. It is brilliant. Let's follow Amy. Oh, I want one smaller than that. There was one back up here, and if I see it again, I might get it. I want a little tiny purse.